Wait, sorry. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is like the second one, like 2 minutes. But the other one was 5 minutes. Well, I'm out here looking for my grandma's dog. It's this black Chihuahua. And his name is Pip. He barks and barks and barks and barks. He barks at leaves. He's only like that big. A little bit bigger. Peppers! Well, I don't know where he could be. Like, bruh, like. I'm gonna do one of the 3 a.m. challenge. It's outside. And later when I get 5 subscribers. Or 10 likes. Either one. My face looks like I'm a ghost. Oh, there we go. But yeah. Pip! Peppers! Who the fuck could that dog be? Like, small but it's fast. And that thing runs like from here to all the way down there in like 2 seconds. If you really wanted to. He has to be in the house. I just looked in the house though. Can't find him. Is that him over there? There's a reflection on the tablet. No. Where is he? Where is he? Like, how hard can it be to find him? So if you were looking up there, it's just kind of hard to aim a camera at somewhere. But I can't find him. I'm gonna go after a manver. Fuck his face, like. Let me see when do it. I'm back and I asked them. They said I have to find him. So it is illegal to, in the state of Idaho, where I live, to have a dog without a leash. It's really, like, I could go to jail for that. But my grandma can't too, but she's disabled. I have 2 disabled people in my house. 2 wheelchairs. What the fuck is this? Like, bruh. Where is he? Pip! Peppers! I just dropped the glass. I slipped out of my hand. I don't know where it is now. But I can't find him. So, like, is he like in the house or where is he? I might just get one of my friends out to come help me. And of course it is 8:23 in the morning. Never flipping mine. They're like 9 something. And thank you so much, Eric and Ellie. You guys are like my heroes. And because Ellie subscribed to me on my first channel. I mean my first video. And thank you guys so much. But yeah, I was like, can't find them. Like, Pip! I've been searching like this whole section. Except for over there and over there. I can't find him. Unless he's in the house hiding from me. Oh, whoops. I don't think that's like entirely possible. Like, that dog's like really small. When he was a baby, you could just fit him in the palm of your hand. So cute. But that dog dumb. If you saw that dog, you'd be like, come here, come here. And you look and you just start barking. But if he wags his tail at you and barks, he's just saying hello. Same with any dog. Well, if they have the tail between the legs and barking, about to back up. Because like, my mom just had surgery on 4th of July, which was a crappy holiday. But she had her bladder taken out. But it was sad. But she, like, right here, she had her knee transplants, I think. She has a dog named Dolly. So cute. Stupid hiccups. Yeah. Yeah, I can't find him. Where could he be? Sorry guys, so shaky. Like, I'm shaking right now. Because before I started this video, I didn't get enough time to record. I saw something moving in the bushes, and my friends were all asleep. I just texted all of them, like, are you asleep? They're like, yeah. Or was asleep till you text me. Something like that, but I heard something rustling in that bush, and then I saw something glowing. Started flipping it, and so I booked it. I ran down that way towards my house. Pip! Drop a like and comment down below, and Team Joey. It's gonna be so awesome. Oh my god, look at this Camaro. Whoa. But I know whose car that is. It's just broken down. But it's really nice. Look at it. Dang. See, look, it's a Camaro. Like, look how awesome that is. I know it's kind of dirty, but it's pretty cool. It's those people that live, like, right there in the blue chair. But yeah, this is really cool. That you can't see through the windows. You can see out. And then it had this. This slides down. So it slides down, and so you can see the top. It's like a oh no, it's not convertible. I thought it was. God, what happened? Oh. But the sad thing is, they never use it. It has no gas. Or if it has enough days on it, it'll get towed out here and smashed. I don't know where he could be. I'm gonna find him. I'm searching my whole complex. Because there's North Park 1, and then over here is North Park 2. Right. Like, I'm just really hoping to find it. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my towel pajamas. See, Looney Tunes, you know what I'm talking about. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.